Hi everyone, welcome in. So, as you probably have guessed, yes, I have been slacking off, and yes, I have not been uploading as much as I usually would during the summertime. And yes, I have been at day camp. I actually was at day camp for 5 weeks, and at film camp and the other camp I was at, I didn't really bother to make vlogs because film camp I really tried to put a lot of effort into the film production I was working on, and at my other camp I'm not allowed to use my phone, so that kind of fueled to my procrastination fire. And while I have mentioned that I wanted to come back and try to upload it more consistently, a lot of times that just was not possible. There hasn't been really anything going on that's really vlog-worthy, but today is a huge sole exception. We're going back to the Altamont Fair for the 2019 season. Excuse me, I'm a little gaseous. So, who am I going to go with? I'm going to be going with my friend Tyler, who went with us to the fair last year and the year before. I am not going to be going with the group because they already went on Tuesday, and Avery's also on vacation. But before we begin, and speaking of Avery, congratulations on your 300th ride on Superman. I can't believe you've made it this far without throwing up. I don't even think I could ever get that far in any roller coaster.
Hey, Lego guy, got your tickets for you.
Cool, where'd you find them?
Wow, free money! Someone must have thrown it out of their car. People these days. I can't tell you that, it's confidential.
Oh, okay. Well, I will see you guys at the fair.
Hey, Tyler.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. You ready for the fair?
Yeah, check it out and stuff, you know.
Yeah, a lot has changed. A lot of stuff has moved.
I did. A lot of stuff.
How about you? It's a lot of different stuff. How you doing, Jason?
I'm doing pretty good. How about you, Sam?
I'm doing very good. I just got off the Ferris wheel, which is probably my favorite ride in the entire fair.
Bumper cars.
Oh, really? That your favorite?
Yeah.
What about you?
I would say the swings.
Oh, yeah.
Swings here?
Yeah, they do. They have them over there, and I think they have them over there.
That's probably my favorite.
Yeah. Well, let's see what rides we're going to go on first. So we're going to get on the bumper cars next. Your favorite. What do you like about the bumper cars?
Some fun.
Anything else?
They're just fun, man.
All right, then. I guess we'll just have fun. I won't go on any more long spiel. Hi, bunnies. You're in the vlog. Look at those guys. Aren't they cute?
Yeah. I like all of them, but I like that one.
The spotted one or the brown one?
Brown.
Yeah, I like his ears. I love their ears. I like the white one personally. The white one's my favorite.
Yeah. Yeah, they got a lot of good ones. Oh.
Look at that one. This guy's got black lips.
That guy's turning his head in awful ways.
I hope he doesn't break his neck.
Yeah. See, that looks like a really pooped pig.
Oh boy, he's so pooped you can hardly tell if it's a pig or a blanket or a pig in blanket.
Yes.
Probably because he had too much ointment. Add that to your collection, Tyler.
I will.
Hey guys, look, there's some chicks. Hi, chicks. Don't take that the wrong way. Ah, the Super Cyclone. Best ride in the whole darn fair, right, Tyler?
Take care.
Best ride in the whole darn fair, right, Tyler?
Yeah.
Except for the loud noises it makes when it stops.
Yep.
I thought it used to be over here. I remember it being over here last year.
Yeah, no, it was over there.
Yeah, I remember that experience. Leave it to Avery to sum it up. I thought I broke the ride because of my size. Spoilers, he didn't break it. Hi, Andrew, aka Roderick's brother. So your brother was too chicken to go, I take it.
No, I think he just didn't want to go. Like, I'm not sure about that. I think it's because he doesn't want to go in the same car as me.
Yo!
kids. Fish bowls are bad.
I guess they are. So I am going on a quick break. To kill some time, I am going to go get a soda at the Stewart's. Wonder what they'll have there, but usually when it comes to Stewart's, I don't really find anything lucky. Alright, cherry Coke. Not too shabby. This is what I ended up getting at Stewart's. I have not had this in a while, so yeah, this is what I chose. I have been having the orange vanilla flavor though, but I honestly prefer cherry Coke. Although the California raspberry flavor is very good too, and I might get that the next time I go to a gas station. Look, it's the view. You can see everything from up here.
It is.
Yeah, what can you see from up here, Tyler?
Just mountains.
And lots of them. Thatcher Park. This is very interesting.
Crap. Hey. Just got a warning. Flash flood warning.
Oh dear.
Until 5:30.
Good thing I'm leaving.
Oh yeah, you guys are leaving early. I'm staying a little bit and then maybe I'll go home. I don't know yet. But yeah, look at that. Look at this view.
I'm not saying much.
Yeah, because the internet here is pretty bad. Something's going on over there.
Yeah, you might want to check this guy out.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a stunt show. Whoa, he can even do it like that.
Especially on the curved surface.
Yeah.
Don't do this while you've just... Don't do this when you just drink soda, folks.
No kidding.
Sheep. Gotta love sheep. Thanks to Minecraft, they were my favorite animal at one point. Only their wool was not white, their wool was pink. If you want to really go way back, you could watch a video where I discuss about that pink sheep guy. Do I watch him now? Not really. I kind of outgrew him. This is amazing looking. Wow. Hard to believe that this was what it looked like back then, guys. There was such a thing called the circus. People would see animals and they were trained to do acts. Kind of like Dumbo. Alright, hello, you're a fan of my channel, I presume?
Yeah, I know you because of Sam Permenko.
Yes, I know Sam. Me and him met at camp a few years ago, and he's been one of my best friends ever since.
Yeah, me too. I've been friends with him since middle school.
That's awesome. I assume you went to Leishkill?
Yeah.
So did I. I went there for a few years and then moved to Gilderland.
Nice.
Did you enjoy the fair?
Yeah, I did. It's pretty good. I recommend everyone should have come out.
I will. I'll be back tomorrow, so Yeah, YouTubers will see me there then. At night. Alright guys, so I'm heading out early because there's a nasty storm brewing around, and since I have no friends to cover my lead, I'm gonna have to do this myself and go home. I'll be back tomorrow though, because I want to see the fair at night, but it's not the same though without the group. I think I realized that I probably should at least go with one person, so maybe I'll poach someone tomorrow. Also, got some beef jerky from the Beef Jerky Outlet, which is a local store owned by one of the teachers at our school. So I can't wait to try this.
Alright, so the daytime Altamont Fair trip was an interesting one. To put it in review, very simply, Tyler and Jason were very much flying by the seat of their pants. They decided to do a little bit of eating, riding, and also checking out the other stuff the fair had to offer. I myself took a long cardio walk around the fair to see what was going on, and I chatted with a few people, but other than that, once the storm started rolling in, I knew I had to message my parents. What I found out is that really, they all come out at night, folks. All the people that you see in my vlogs really just go to the fair at nighttime, which means I gotta go there in the nighttime. So I will be returning tomorrow at night.